We do not want weak exponent trees. These roots are very important. Those roots are the base support system for your entire tree. If the roots aren't right, the tree is not.
Everybody all around the world is using a metric system. So listen up, boys and girls, let's catch up with them. Everybody all around the world is using a metric system. So listen up, boys and girls, let's catch up with them.
Length, volume, capacity, and mass, and the intensity that a light has. Now the metric system is your friend, and you can use it time and time and again. Let's say you start taking a measurement, but right before when you start to do it, the first thing you gotta do is determine, you guessed it, the correct base unit to measure the length of the distance. A meter is real cool. You can use it to measure real big things like a car or mountain or swimming pool. Your car might be 4 meters long, a mountain 4,000 meters tall. You can even break a meter down to measure things that are small all around.
Can you tell me about the metric system?
Let me tell you a little bit about it.
Is it true that using metrics alright?
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Now 1/100th of a meter is called a centimeter. It's used to measure smaller things like pencils, keys, and pizzas. 15 centimeters might be the length of a pencil in your desk, but 1 centimeter might be the size of the button on your chest. But wait, you say, what about the weight to measure long distance? Like how far the Lakers travel to play, let's say the Detroit Pistons. Kilometers are what we use to measure distance across the nation. A kilometer is 1,000 meters, just for your information. So now you know all about the measuring in the metric way. But don't stop here, learn more about it each and every day.
Everybody all around the world,
All around the world.
using a metric system. So listen up, boys and girls,
Listen up.
let's catch up with them. Everybody all around the world,
All around the world.
metric system. So listen up, boys and girls,
Listen up.
let's catch up with them.
The metric system is so cool cause it follows the decimal system. That means everything changes by multiples of 10. Just like our numbers in our money. Like 10 pennies equals a dime, 100 pennies equals a dollar, 100 centimeters equals a meter, and 1,000 meters equals a kilometer. Get it?
Hey you, can you tell me about the metric system?
Let me tell you a little bit about it.
Is it true that using metrics alright?
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Length, volume, capacity, mass, and the intensity that a light has. Now the metric system is your friend. You can use it time and time again.
Everybody all around the world,
All around the world.
using a metric system. So listen up, boys and girls,
Listen up.
let's catch up with them.
Down here on the earth, at the level of the sea, we refer to the mass of an object as its weight, you see. The unit that measures mass and weight is the kilogram, and it works out great. An average child about 10 years old might weigh 40 kilograms or so, I'm told. A bag of chips, on the other hand, would have to be measured using grams. 42 grams in a bag of chips sounds about right without the dip. But you can have chips without the drink, and that's where capacity comes in, I think. Capacity is how much a container holds, like a cup or a gas tank in a road. The liter is the base unit that you use, and it works like the others, don't get confused. Now everyone's gone to the grocery store, and you've seen the bottles of the soda galore. These bottles are liters, either 1 or 2, but if you spill a few drops, here's what you do. Measure those drops in the milliliters, and they'll give you an accurate count, because milliliters are used to measure liquids in a real small amounts. There are other units in the metric system, like degrees Celsius, where water freezes at 0 and boils at 100 degrees, and the candela, which measures the intensity of light. So keep on learning, and remember, the metric system's alright.
Can you tell me about the metric system?
Let me tell you a little bit about it.
Is it true?
Is it true?
That using metrics alright?
Yeah, metrics alright. Length, volume, capacity, mass, and the intensity that a light has. Now the metric system
Did you guys figure out how much wire you needed?
Yeah, kind of. Well, 128.
128 pieces. How many centimeters?
6,400.
Which would be how many meters?
64.
Awesome. Good job.
Did you find out how many wires you needed first?
256.
256. Good job. Excellent.
150. But we need 200.
And you know what? Yes, you're absolutely right. You have 12,800 centimeters of wire.
We have to get 256.
Wow. 256 white wires.
But think there's a lot more wires.
You're on top of it. You're going for it.